This podcast will deal with building major and minor thirds. Another way to look at major and minor thirds. A minor third equals 3 half steps, or 3 keys on the piano. Major third equals 4 half steps. And just like seconds, we have to make sure that we write the interval as a third. So, any third on the staff, let's just say, for example, we have the note A, and if we want to write a note that's just some sort of third above that, we go from the space, if it's on a space note, if it's a space note, to the next space. So that's a third. We don't know yet what kind of third, but that is a third. Now, let's just say, for example, we're going to build a minor. This is going to be a minor third, A to C. And we have to check the accidental, make sure that it's correct. So here is the note A on the keyboard, and we want to go up 3 half steps. So not starting with this note, but the very next one, we're going to measure the distance. 1, 2, 3 half steps. And you can see on the piano keyboard that that's a C. So A to C natural, A natural to C natural, is a minor third, 3 half steps. And let's do another one. Let's do a major third now. So let's start with the note D, and we want to go up a major third. And as I wrote here, major third equals 4 half steps. So first we start with a third up from some kind of third up from D. We just start on the note we're on, go to the very next space. If we were on a line note, we would go to the next line. But here we're going to go space to space, D to F. Major third equals 4 half steps. So we're going to start on D right here and count up 4, not including that key, but the very next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that black key right there, if you look on the piano keyboard, is the note F sharp. So that's a major third up from D. Now we know this is F sharp and not G flat because first thing we did was show that this is a third. Some kind of third, D to F, so we know it has to be written as some kind of F. Now, counting half steps like this is very useful when you're dealing with things like double flats and double sharps. So let's start with the note, we'll say the note F flat. Very ugly note there. F flat. And what we want to do is go up a major third from F flat. Now, we know that it's a third, so we want to make it go up some kind of third. So to go up a third, if you're on a line note, you just go to the very next line. That's some kind of third. Now we have to figure out what the accidental may be. So major third, 4 half steps. So the note F flat, here we go on the keyboard, we have an F. F flat, of course, would be this note right here. We want to go up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on that black key right there. Now we know that the answer is some kind of an A, and if we write that black key as some kind of A, that makes it a flat. So the answer is a flat. So make sure you're writing it as a third, line, line, or space, space. That's always some kind of third. And then minor third equals 3 half steps, major third equals 4 half steps. Use the piano keyboard.